Rajya Sabha MP Wanwei Roy Kharlukhi had attended the inaugural function of the IASLIC 29th seminar held at the Multi-Use Convention Hall in the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong on the 15th of March 2023. During the event, the MP also released the souvenir in the presence of the Vice Chancellor of the university, Dr. Prabha Shankar Shukla, and the IASLIC General Secretary Abhijit Kumar, besides others. While speaking on the occasion, Dr. Kharlukhi commented that libraries and information centers will have an impact on tourism in Meghalaya and other northeastern states because information will be available on the internet. Kharlukhi further added that special focus on skill development on modern new age librarians should be emphasized.
Well, with the rapid advancement in digital technology, where libraries, information centers, they need to keep on innovating ways they gather, organize, disseminate information in order to meet the needs of not only the individual but also the communities as a whole. Well, I trust that the emphasis on Digital India initiative is already being implemented by the libraries and information centers across the country. Where special emphasis on skill development for modern new age librarians is the need of the hour. Equally important is the renewed focus on the issues and complexities involved in research data management. Central Library of NEHU initiate projects in the area of digital archiving of knowledge pertaining to the state of Meghalaya and the Northeast as a whole. And for our information, the government of Meghalaya is going to start a museum and galleries. And I think it will be of great help if assistance was given from the Central Library of NEHU in this initiative of the government of Meghalaya. Well, it will not only benefit my state or the Northeast, it will also benefit PhD researchers and all those who are interested in information. Well, this also will have an impact on the tourism in Meghalaya and other northeastern states because information will be instantly available in the internet. Well, this is our dream for our state. We saw that tourism is one of the departments which will really help develop and help the state.